Hello, investors. I just want to give you a market update today on what I think about Google stock. So today is June 14th, 2022, and the markets have really taken a hit here in these past few months. As a quick disclaimer, I am not a finance professional. I am just a math and finance fan. I'd call myself a guru, but I don't want to use those words. I am just a person who has been in the markets for a very long time and involved with mathematics for a very long time, hence all these books behind me. Let's take a look here at the chart of Google. I'm going to make it visible here for you on the screen. We're going to talk a little bit about it. And this is a chart, but this is not really a chart that a technical analyst might use. It's not the type of chart you see in TA books. This is a long-term chart, and I always believe that all TA should start from a long-term perspective. So maybe some analysts would use this chart, but as an investor, that's the viewpoint I'm taking here right now on Google stock. And so Google makes most of its money from advertisements. If you have a YouTube channel and it's monetized, Google has AdSense, and basically they charge other companies to advertise, and they give you a cut, right? They give you a cut, and you can actually find out what percentage you get and stuff. I'm pretty sure if you're monetized, you can find out how much you get. If you want to advertise with Google, you can go to Google Ads. You can pay money. You can create ads, and they have this really involved way of doing it. They have really good customer support. They can help you and all of that stuff. So Google makes a lot of its money from ads. Google is so popular that it is now a household name. Instead of, hey, I'm going to go search for this on the internet, people say, hey, I'm going to Google it. It's become kind of like Coca-Cola. People would say, hey, I'm going to get a soda. And Coke, Coke was so popular, people say, hey, I'm going to get a Coke. It's like Kleenex, people say, oh, give me a Kleenex instead of give me a tissue. So Google is among that class. And I really want to make that point here because it's in a place that only a few select companies have ever been, right? Coca-Cola, Kleenex, these are brand names owned by companies that became household names. And Google is now a household name. It really is. So despite this really big backdrop, big pullback rather on Google stock, I mean, the 52-week high is $3,030.93. It's currently at $2,141.66. I mean, that is an epic drop. It's epic. We can figure out. Let's do the math. Right? I talked about I'm a math guy, so let's do the math and see right here how much Google has receded from its 52-week high, which was 3030.93. So hopefully my math is okay. That'd be really embarrassing and terrible if it's not. But let's see the price decrease 29%. So it's off 29% from its high, a little over 29%. So that's quite a bit of a pullback. You can see it's still in an uptrend. So I think it's a buy right now. Personally, I don't own any individual Google stock now. I might own it in like a fund or something, but I don't actually own Google stock right now. But I really want to buy some, and I think it's a buy, and I probably will try to buy some. So if you're holding, it's up to you what you do, if you should buy or sell. If you're thinking about buying, it's up to you. I think you should buy what you know, and that's why I wanted to make this video, because I feel like I know Google. Everyone knows Google. It's everywhere. It's a rock solid company. I don't think it's going anywhere, and I think it's a good investment. So yeah, that's my take on Google. What do you think? Do you think Google's a good investment right now? Why or why not? Leave a comment below, and make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Good luck, and subscribe for more market updates. Take care.